Hello everyone, welcome back to another market review. So I'll be going over today's price action, and it will probably be another quick video because it's pretty straightforward. I didn't take any trades today, and want to be going over why. Overall, it's kind of like the same thing as yesterday. Weekly, still looking for that previous quarter low because of this SMT on the highs with previous quarter high. When we go down to the daily, actually I'll get my journal up. This is how it looked before the session open. As you know, we're going from this internal range liquidity on the daily to external. That's the overall idea. And these last couple of days, we retraced, tapped into this fair value gap on the daily, and seem to be reacting pretty bearishly off of it. So this leads me to think that we're heading lower. Higher time frame is bearish, but as you'll see, similar to the day before, we didn't have any bearish SMTs on our side, just bullish ones. So on the 6 hour, we still had this previous week low SMT intact. YM didn't take out previous week low, while NQ and ES did. Then we go to the 90-minute chart. This is how it looked before. During session open, it was looking like this. We didn't have a previous day high SMT, which is kind of what I tend to look for, but we did create this previous day low SMT. Even though all assets took out previous day low, NQ closed below yesterday's body and ES didn't. So that is a body to body hidden SMT. But due to the fact we were reacting so bearishly off this daily fair value gap, I was open to taking low time frame SMT entries from this gap, which we tapped into. But what actually happened was we went higher. I can see here on the 15-minute chart, we didn't have a previous session low SMT because all assets closed below, which is furthermore indication of bearish price action. But then we had this push up, this really big push up that we're still having right now. So then we had this really volatile push up. We inverted this gap. This is where I wanted to see that 5-minute SMT to take price back, get price back to the downside here. But instead we inverted that fair value gap. And this box here, this is that daily gap on the daily chart. So we came up and we tagged out previous day high, and we created this previous day high SMT. But at this point, the market had moved so much. It had moved from open to top 460 points, and it was pretty crazy price action. If we look at the 5-minute chart, this first box is that 90-minute fair value gap. This box is that daily fair value gap. As you can see, price shot up and then it's just kind of ricocheting, not breaking out from either side. It broke to the short term to the upside, it went back down, broke it again, came back down, found support at this level. I mean, it was very volatile today, and overall there wasn't a clear entry criteria for me to enter on today. So yeah, that was it for the day for me. Now looking forward for Monday, we'll see what happens. We got this previous day high SMT plus this change in the state of delivery, but price just seems to be wanting to move higher. It's pushing up really aggressively. So I don't know, we'll see. But if we do show no kind of signs of wanting to go lower, we invert this daily gap, I do think we could be seeing this previous week low SMT in play. Perhaps we could see it come up here and take out this liquidity. So yeah, I can't really plan too much ahead because I'm not here to kind of predict beforehand where the market is going, but more so assess every day, little bit by little bit, and get small pieces of the pie, so to speak. So we'll come back Monday, see if anything's a little bit clearer. But overall today, a no trade day, and which is a good day because I followed my rules, followed the model. Nothing of substance presented itself, so therefore I took no trades. And overall, my week has been, if we look at my week, I only had one trade this week, which was the winning trade. So honestly, I'm not too upset. This was a nice week a nice just one trade for this week. But yeah, that's about it, right? So we'll see what happens next, and I'll come back Monday with another review. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.